Good afternoon, class. Here I have shared a picture with you. Here I'll tell you how in Java how a source program get converted into the machine code, right? So first of all, as you can see in this picture, we have a source code. You have a program written in a Java, and that will have extension .java file, right? So in every languages, you always compile a program. Like in C and C++, whenever you compile and run a program, you always get a machine code, right? But in Java, after compilation, we always get a bytecode that will be the .class file. And this bytecode we can carry on any platform. For example, if you have written a program on Windows, for example, right? So when you compile this program, you will get a bytecode. So you can carry this bytecode to any other platform, like on Linux, on Mac, on any platform, and you can easily convert it into the machine code, right? So for this, we need a JVM. So whenever we install Java, we always get JVM with it. So on every platform we had JVM with Java. So source code you have written in Java that have a .java class file, .java file. You will compile it, and after compilation you will get a bytecode. And after that bytecode is a .class file. And this bytecode you can carry to any platform, like on Windows, on Linux, on Mac. And on every platform we have JVM. And using the JVM we can convert that bytecode into the respective machine code. So it means Java is a platform independent language. Independent means you are creating bytecode on one platform, but you can create machine code on any other platform using this bytecode. So this bytecode or this JVM makes the Java platform independent language. Thank you.